I've had a ton of people asking me how they can get their Claude Desktop working with a ton of different connections and integrations like I have here: Asana, Notion, Square, Go High Level, 11 Labs, Google Calendar, Vappy, WhatsApp. So as you can see, we can perform multi-step actions like finding Rob Test and Go High Level, creating a voice message with 11 Labs, and sending it via WhatsApp, all from one single place, just giving it a simple prompt. It's able to connect to all my different tools. I use Go High Level to search for me, 11 Labs to create the voice message, and then WhatsApp to send the actual message here. And I've sent myself a voice message.
What's up?
Okay, so how do you go about setting this up? First off, you're going to need Claude Desktop. Claude Desktop is going to cost you $17 per month. It's also giving you direct access to Claude Code, access to research, and the ability to connect different MCP servers, which is what we're looking at here today. Once you're inside Claude Desktop, you're going to click this little icon down here. You're going to scroll up and you're going to click Add Connectors. Now you have connectors and you have extensions. So you can see here you have Asana, Canva, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar. These are some of the more popular ones: Notion, PayPal, Square, Stripe. You also have desktop extensions. So depending on whether you're on Mac or on Windows, you're going to want to install different ones. But for example, you have Windows MCP. This allows Claude to interact with your Windows computer and take actions on your computer. Then you have Control Your Mac. Control Your Mac, same thing, allows Claude to interact with your Mac computer directly. It can read and write Apple Notes, read and send iMessages, control Google Chrome. You can connect Spotify. Now, for the ones that you see here, like what I have, and I can show you those by going here and clicking Manage Connectors. When I scroll all the way down, you can see these are the ones that I have directly connected through Claude, and then these are the ones that I connected externally. Now, what that means is that these take a little bit more setup in order to get them actually working. So Go High Level, 11 Labs, Vappy, WhatsApp MCP, these are going to take a little bit more configuration. You might need help from a developer in order to actually get them installed. Really, all it is just installing some packages. Think of it as installing Windows on a Windows computer. It takes a few steps, and usually you're going to want to hire somebody that knows how to do it. But if you do enough research, you could definitely figure it out on your own. Now, we've put together SyncOS, and you can see our website here is syncos.co. This is basically a full offer that we've put together that allows you to have this installed for your clients without you having to do any of the setup yourself. So what we do is our team comes in. It takes us anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes, and we'll connect your client's entire tech stack to their actual Claude Desktop so they can start using Claude Desktop as a hub to run everything from at once. You can see examples here. You can have it connect to Stripe and say, Claude, pull Q4 revenue from Stripe and email it to the team. That'll get done in 10 seconds. You can see send an iMessage to the new lead that just came in, try to qualify them. You can see check my downloads folder, find the new proposal I just downloaded and upload it to Google Drive for me. Generate a voice message using my cloned 11 Labs voice saying, hey, I'll be 5 minutes late, and send it to the client. And if the tool doesn't exist, meaning there's no MCP server for that integration or that tech stack that your client needs to install, we can actually go ahead and do it. You can click this button here and fill out the information on exactly what you're looking for, and our team will reach back out to you to let you know if we can set it up. These are all the basics that are installed in every package, or the ones that I showed you today, how you can set up yourself very easily. And here's all our FAQs so you can find more information. If you'd like to learn more and you'd like to offer the service to your clients without having to worry about any of the complexities that it takes to install or maintain or keep up with these systems, go ahead and visit syncos.co, book a call with our team. We can have a discussion. If you think you have clients that are ready to go right now and would be interested in installing something like this, definitely book a call. If it's something that you're considering and you're on the fence about, very soon we're going to be launching our direct-to-consumer site where you'll be able to purchase it directly for a one-time install fee. And you can wait around until that. But if you're an agency, you think you have people that are ready to go ahead and visit the website, click the link. Link will be in the description, or you can comment the word SyncOS if you're watching this on Instagram or TikTok, and we'll go ahead and send it to you right away.